Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Facebook watch video history. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and click on your profile picture on the top right. And from the top, you simply need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on settings, scroll down again and click on access your information. Scroll down and here you can see your activity across Facebook. Click on that option. Then you simply need to click on this arrow. Okay. Scroll down again and here you can see videos you have watched. So here you can see your history, and if you want to clear, you simply need to click on here clear video watch history and click on clear. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.